Hello and welcome. Healthcare systems across the world are under increasing pressure. Demand for medical services is growing exponentially, fueled by aging populations, chronic diseases, and rising health awareness. However, the number of qualified professionals can't scale at the same pace. This creates a critical gap: more people needing help and fewer experts available to support them. To address this, we need AI tools that can assist, not replace, healthcare professionals. Tools that provide grounded, reliable information at scale. This capstone project, built for the Kaggle Generative AI course, explores exactly that. I developed a medication information agent that answers user questions using only verified data from the open FDA drug labeling dataset. Questions like, can I take this drug during pregnancy? Are there side effects with this medication? Is it safe to mix it with alcohol? To answer safely and accurately, we combine multiple Gen AI components. First, we process the FDA dataset. We extract key sections such as adverse reactions, warnings, contraindications, and pregnancy guidance. These sections are split into overlapping text chunks. Each chunk is embedded using the all-mini LML 6-V2 sentence transformer model. This produces dense vector representations that capture the semantic meaning of the content. We store all embeddings in ChromaDB, a vector database optimized for fast similarity search. When a user asks a question, we encode the query into an embedding and retrieve the top matching document chunks. This step is crucial. It ensures the model's answers are tied to real, verified data. To generate the final response, we use Gemini 2.0 Flash, Google's language model. Gemini receives the retrieved context, the user's message, and a carefully constructed system prompt. That prompt instructs Gemini to answer only using the retrieved context, maintain a formal, clinical tone, avoid assumptions or invented facts. Always include a disclaimer. To further improve consistency and safety, we provide few-shot examples, short dialogues that teach Gemini how to respond in typical scenarios. Together, the prompt and few shots enforce controlled generation, minimizing hallucinations and keeping the agent aligned with medical standards. We prioritize precision over creativity, a must in any health-related system. To build the conversation logic, we used LangGraph. We started with a simple one-turn chatbot that handled a single question and returned a grounded answer. Once that foundation was working, we evolved the agent into a multi-turn system. LangGraph allowed us to manage the conversation state, track message history, and loop across nodes, all through a structured graph. This version supports full console-based interactions, where the user can ask follow-up questions and receive responses with continuity and context. Finally, we integrated the agent with Telegram. This makes it easy to access from any device while preserving safety, state tracking, and prompt control. Each user chat is handled as a separate LangGraph session. The agent retrieves data, generates responses using Gemini, and always includes a clear safety disclaimer. Here's a quick example. The user asks, "Can I drink alcohol if I'm taking ibuprofen?" The agent searches ChromaDB, retrieves the relevant context, and sends it to Gemini. Gemini replies, "According to the ibuprofen label, concurrent use with alcohol may increase the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding." Important: information is not medical advice. Consult your healthcare provider. It's a response that's accurate, grounded, and responsible, generated entirely from real FDA-approved data. As next steps, we plan to use the metadata from the vector database to show document-level references, so users can see exactly which drug label each answer came from. We also plan to optimize the embedding pipeline using batch processing, GPU parallelization, and memory-efficient chunking, especially important for scaling to larger datasets. To recap, this project brings together embeddings plus ChromaDB for semantic retrieval, prompt engineering plus few-shot learning for safety and consistency, Gemini for natural language generation grounded in context, LangGraph for multi-turn conversation flow, and Telegram for real-time, user-friendly access. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore the code and try the agent yourself.